You want to focus better. Then stop drowning in shallow work. Chapter 8 of Deep Work is all about cutting the distractions and making space for real, high-impact work. Let's break it down. What is shallow work? Shallow work is easy to do, doesn't need deep thinking, often done while distracted, doesn't create much real value. Examples: checking emails, endless meetings, social media replies, admin tasks. These tasks make you feel busy, but they're not what move your goals forward. Newport warns, if you let shallow work take over your day, you'll never have time for deep work. Why shallow work is dangerous. It kills focus over time. It fills your schedule with low-value tasks. It gives a false sense of productivity. It makes you replace quality with quantity. In short, shallow work eats your mental energy, but gives you almost no return. Tactic 1. Schedule every minute. Cal recommends time blocking. Plan your entire day in advance, even breaks and meals. Why? Because if you don't decide how your time is spent, distractions will decide for you. Pro tip: start with 30-minute blocks. Adjust as you go. It's not about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Tactic 2. Set shallow work limits. Set a maximum number of hours you'll allow for shallow tasks. Example: 1 hour per day for emails. No meetings unless absolutely required. Avoid social media during work hours. Use this rule: if the task doesn't create deep value or require deep focus, limit it or cut it. Tactic 3. Ask this question before every task: would the world end if I didn't do this? This simple question helps you filter noise. If the answer is no, then delay it, delegate it, or delete it. Time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste it on shallow nonsense. Final thoughts: if you want to do deep, meaningful work, you must drain the shallows. Cut unnecessary tasks. Plan every minute. Set boundaries. Protect your time like it's gold. Remember, a deep life is a good life. Call to action. If this chapter helped you, drop a like and comment focus mode on. And don't forget, Chapter 9 is coming next. Work like Teddy Roosevelt. It's 5. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it.